Hi guys, this is a short video. I'll show you how to buy crypto in Binance apps. Click here in Binance, and then in order to buy any crypto in Binance, you have to buy first fiat currency. You see BTC, USDT, BUSDT, BPN. You can buy any of this currency, fiat currency, and then you can convert it to or buy to any cryptocurrency. So click one of these. I will buy USDT. So click here USDT. So I live in United Kingdom, so I will use pound, or if you have any other currency, if you live in the different countries, you can also use this method. Okay, and I will put 20 pounds. So it says USDT would be 27.6 to convert it, and then you can see the continue option. Click here, continue, and then it will ask your bank details. Then you can go to the next, and instantly you can transfer the money. Okay, once you're done, and then you can see how much you have available on your wallet. If I go to wallet and go to spot, then I can see how much did I transfer. I bought USDT 20.70. Now you can go to trade. If you want to buy anything from here, there is option. You can see market, limited order, stop limited order, but also you can go to, you can buy any of this here, search any cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, I want to buy Bitcoin. USDT, and click buy. Then it will go to the option how much do you want to buy. Okay, and I would like to buy BLZ USDT, so I'm just gonna click buy, and then it will ask how much you want to buy. I want to use, you can buy 25%, 50%, whatever money you have on your wallet, or 100%. I'll click 100, and then I can buy 100. Now buy BLZ, order created, and it will notify you once it's complete. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe me. I'll try to make it short as much as I can. Thanks for watching.